Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we'll discuss the lead compensator design using the root locus technique, and previously we did the lead compensator design on the body plot of the loop transfer function, and now we'll go through the details of the lead compensator design on the root locus. Uh, the root locus technique is also based upon the loop transfer function, and we just add the poles and zeros of the compensator directly in the loop transfer function. So any technique which is based on the loop transfer function uh, is a good technique, uh, because we it's easy to just add the poles and zeros in the existing poles, and pole on the existing pole zero map, rather than evaluating the response of the closed loop function before addition of a controller and after addition of controller, because closed loop all the closed loop will change their all the closed loop poles and zeros will change their location if we add the controller, but loop transfer function poles and zeros, original poles and zeros will stay the same way if we add poles and zeros of the controller on that. So let's go over the basic steps of root locus method for the lead compensator design. So the process is simple. What you need to do is first, from the given system requirement, system response specification, required system response specification, calculate the location of poles or dominant pole, sketch uncompensated root locus. Verifying that the required location of poles zeros cannot be achieved from given configuration, using given configuration. Using the given configuration, then if compensated is necessary, place the poles pole and and 0 of compensator.